CBSE 10th class maths classes. Now, quadratic equations, nature of roots. Of a quadratic equation. So, quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Is called discriminant if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then roots are not real. Roots are not real. Means there is no real roots. For example, x square minus x plus 4 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 4. Then we will get b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 4 into a 1 into c is equal to 4. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 1 minus 16 which is equal to minus 15 is less than 0. Then two roots are, there is no real roots. Why? Roots are minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. But if root to b square minus 4ac is equal to root of minus 15. Root of minus 15 means it is the imaginary number. There is no real root. And that is therefore alpha is equal to minus b plus root 15 plus root 15I and minus b minus root 15I by 2. So there is a no real roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots are equal, real and equal. For example, x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 4. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 4 is equal to 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So roots are alpha is equal to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, or beta is equal to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now this is equal to minus b plus root 0 by 2a, or beta is equal to minus b minus root 0 by 2a. That is equal to alpha is equal to minus b by 2a is equal to beta. So beta also here minus b root 0 is equal to 0 by 2a. So beta is equal to minus b by 2a. Both roots are equal and real. Now the value, we are substituting the values. Substituting the values, we will get alpha is equal to minus b, that is 4 by 2a. 2 is equal to 2, and beta also is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Therefore alpha is equal to beta. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots are distinct and real. So for example, x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Then a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5, and c is equal to 6. b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 6. So this is equal to 25 minus 24, which is equal to 1 is greater than 0. Then roots are alpha is equal to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Beta is equal to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substituting the values, then we will get alpha is equal to minus b, that is 5, plus b square minus 4ac is equal to 1, square root of 1 is 1 by 2a, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Beta is equal to minus b, that is minus of minus, plus 5 minus root 1 is equal to 1 by 2a. A is equal to 1, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So alpha is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3, or beta is equal to 5 minus 1, 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So there is different roots and they are real roots. So therefore nature of roots depends upon the discriminant b square minus 4ac. So it depends, we can find out the values of some unknown things and use this discriminant rule, and we can find it. For example, if some quadratic equation roots are equal is given the condition, then find out the some unknown thing. So then we can find out from the b square minus 4a depend upon the nature of the roots, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 or greater than 0 or less than 0. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, then like it and subscribe it. Thank you.